In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on HankoTrade. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to your dashboard inside HankoTrade. You want to go to the Home tab and first create a trading account. This could be either a live or a demo account. I have tutorials on how to create either of these on my channel, so go watch those first. It's very easy. Just click on this button here and you'll be able to create either a live or a demo account. Now, to then trade with that account, you want to go to Trading Terminals. And you want to either open up HankoX for a live account or for a demo account. I'm going to continue with demo right now. And what's going to happen for the first time you do this is you're basically going to have to log in. So it's going to look something like this. There we go. You have to put in your trading account number, which you'll receive to your email upon the creation of your account. Then you have your password as well, which you'll also receive. And then the server, for me, it's going to be demo. And you want to click on login. Now, whenever you do that here, you're going to have the access to HankoX. And if you want to start trading, it's actually very simple. First, of course, you have to just select whatever you want to trade. So click on the symbol over here. And you could go ahead and find the symbol you want to trade, or over here on the left hand side you could just go ahead and select whatever you want inside your kind of screener list over here. I'm just gonna go with Bitcoin USD over here, so this one, there we go, it's gonna open up, and then on your right hand side you can select if you want to buy or sell, and then here you can select the type of order, either market, buy stop, buy limit, or the same goes for the sell market, the sell orders. And then here you also can see your price levels. You can set your target, triggered prices, your quantity in lots over here, and you could also see the advanced options such as take profits, stop losses, trailing stop losses, etc. And if you want to add a comment to a specific order, you could also do that too. Then whenever you're happy, just click on the place by order. And there we go, your order is going to be placed, and you now have everything down here below, and you can now track your trades. So that's how to trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.